Hey everyone, my name is Josh from CBS, and today I'll be showing you how to apply a Harvey Shack Scatter Model to any given surface in FRED. So to get started, we're going to select New Document, and then we're going to right-click on the Geometry folder, and we're going to select Create New Mirror. And we're going to leave all the default settings, so we're just going to select OK, and we can view the mirror in the 3D view. After we've done that, we're going to create our optical source, right-click on Optical Sources, mouse over Create New Source Primitive, and select Plane Wave. Again, we're going to leave the default settings, but all we're going to do is we're going to right-click and append a shift of -3 along the Z direction. Select OK. Now our source and our mirror are both visible in the 3D view. After we've done that, we're going to add a sphere. So we're going to right-click on the Geometry folder, mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select Sphere. And all we're going to do is increase our radius to 5 and select OK. Now clicking the View All button, we can now see that our sphere encompasses the source and the mirror. So all we're going to do is we're going to run our ray trace. And here we can see our rays are being reflected off the mirror and stopped on our sphere surface. So from here, we're going to apply our Harvey Shack Scatter Model. So we're going to open the Geometry folder so that we're able to view the mirror. And then conveniently, FRED already has a defined Harvey Shack Scatter Model. So we're going to drag and drop it onto our mirror surface. After we've done that, we're going to open up our mirror so we can view the reflecting surface. We're going to double click on it, move over to the coding/ray control, and check off the scatter. We're going to change the color to green. This is going to turn all the scattered rays green so that they're easily viewed in the 3D view after we run our ray trace. So from here, run the ray trace. And here we can see that the black rays are being reflected off the mirror and the green rays are the ones that are being scattered. And that concludes this tutorial. CBS is here to provide you with the best possible support when it comes to working with FRED. Keep an eye out for even more helpful content.